Before we continue with today's episode in the adventures of Superman, we'd like you to meet Commander Joseph M. Stack, an ex-GI of World War I, who is National Commander-in-Chief of the Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States. Commander Stack.
Hello, fellows and girls. Ever since the very first time we heard Superman over the air, I guess every American has cheered him on in his daring and dangerous adventures. And even beyond that, we've learned to think of him as the champion of right over wrong, the champion of justice. Today we look to Superman as an enemy of prejudice and intolerance and all other evil forces that threaten democracy. We, the Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States, an organization of 2 million men who have fought overseas against the enemies of democracy, believe that Superman, through his daily adventures on this program, serves as an inspiration to all of us to think, act, and live the American way. Because of this, and because we feel this program makes an outstanding contribution to real American democracy, I have the pleasure of awarding, on behalf of the Veterans of Foreign Wars, a citation of merit to Superman and to Mr. Harry Donenfeld, president of Superman DC Publications, who was responsible for putting Superman on the air, and to the Kellogg Company, whose sponsorship makes this program possible. Will you honor us with your acceptance, Mr. Donenfeld?
The honor is mine, Commander Stack. Credit, however, should not go to me, but to the men who produce and write the series, to the cast and to the sponsors. And on behalf of all concerned, I accept the citation with much pride and many thanks. And we want you to know that here at home, we will continue to fight for every good American against the forces of intolerance and injustice. I'm sure I can speak for all of us and for the fellows and girls listening in. Again, many thanks from all of us.
And now, the adventures of Superman.